Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to join the Zik affiliate program. So for Zik Analytics is used for e-commerce, Shopify, eBay, etc. So let's jump right into this actually. But first, okay, let's jump right into this. So here we click on join. And here you will type all your names. So I will type this in and be right back to you. 1 second. So everything is filled in. Here we are again, and then click enroll for free. So, and then you will go onto the dashboard. So here's the dashboard, and you will see your campaign if you want to create a campaign for it, your balance, your commission earnings. You can enter your PayPal email, and then you can request a payout. Your referrals, actually, my referral URL, your course referral URL, and you can even and your referral statics, your payment history, and advertising channels. So I just entered my details as well, so I actually don't know how this looks like. So here you will see the enter page. Okay, this is your home page, your eBay market page you could promote. And as you can see, there are a lot of pages you could promote through the affiliate program. And here's your management panel. Let's skip my account. Let's go to product research. And here is actually your listings, etc. You could save your store analytics. If you have a store, you can select it. Your competitor research, you can actually do integrations and source websites. So there are a lot of options actually here, and you can choose light theme or dark theme. You can log out again, and that's absolutely it, I guess. So that's how to register on Zik Analytics and join the affiliate program. So here you have your referral URLs, your landing pages, so where they will sign up to, and that's actually it. So thank you for watching.